Brunch is a common thing over the weekends because most of the time you're going to sleep late and maybe wake up late. In today's video, I'm just going to tag you along as I prepare brunch. The first thing we're going to prepare will be sausages, and our simple recipe is that you add the sausages and the oil at the same time. Do not preheat the oil. And then we decided to just sneak in samosas in the mix so that they can cook together, but I had to cook the samosas later because samosas require some more heat than the sausages. Yeah, and as you can see, our sausages are ready in a few minutes, and we leave the samosas to cook. And also they didn't take much time, so in a few minutes they were also ready. Comment down below with your sausage recipe. Is it the same as mine or you have something different? And there you go, our first two meals are ready. We go next to make our African tea, and we are only going to use tea leaves and ginger. I love this mixture. So I just boil my tea leaves and ginger, and once they are fully boiled, I add my milk. And then when they boil like now, I lower the heat and allow it to boil further for a few minutes. Let me tell you, that tea turns out amazing. Comment down below with how you make your tea. Is it the same as mine or you have a different one? Next, we are making pancakes. I am going to make as thin as crepes. Yeah, so I'm just going to use only water, cardamom or cinnamon, salt, and sugar. Salt is just a little, and then of course eggs. For this recipe, I'm just going to use 2 eggs, and I'm just going to mix manually, nothing much. Yeah, if you're still watching, kindly consider giving this video a like, and of course comment down below with your own recipe so that we can also check it out. I'm not going to prepare all the pancakes as you watch because I have 2 videos which I'm going to link down below. One for fluffy pancakes and the other one was more of crepe. This is a brunch video, so that is why I'm just giving highlights of what I am preparing. So yes, and we are done with our pancakes. So there is our brunch ready and just awaiting tea. As you can see, it's done and it was delicious, I must say. Just look at it, guys. This is actually inviting. And of course, I had to give it a taste test and it was super delicious. We really enjoyed the breakfast. Then of course we had to add the tea, and the whole combination was just amazing. Can you see my new cups? I'm just enjoying tea in my new cups, and I must say it was a worthwhile purchase. Comment down below with what you prepare for brunch when you wake up late. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on our next one. Bye.